Greetings all, I am Royalty Chaos, also known as Silas, the voice of Chimera. Due to an unexpected issue with the recording, episode 4 will have to be pushed back about 2 weeks, so it's gonna come out not next week, but the week after. My apologies for this unforeseen issue, but I hope y'all enjoy the bloopers anyhow.
Well, the door can be open now.
Oh, fuck. Anyways, ignore that. I'm scared. Oh.
You were so scared you turned into sun.
Shut the fuck up. Oh my god, so irritating.
You still gotta put your rays away?
I know, I'm trying. I will punch you.
Well, I think we...
What the
Oh.
Sure, you did see that. You didn't see that.
Those were all the funny ones from episode 1. Only 2 is not a large amount, but I hope you enjoyed this short anyways. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, along with giving a huge thanks to 80s and myself for playing Moon and Chimera respectively. Have a good day, everybody. Bye-bye. I'm going to go take Tylenol.